Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Honest Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased reviews. Now, today we are going to be unboxing the NVMe 2.0 2 terabyte that I just ordered, and it's basically around it's called a company called Silicon Power, and it was basically around $400 that I got it. So that's a really good price for a 2 terabyte, and the read and write speeds are around 2,500-3,000 on these. So the box isn't that special, so let's get this started. You've got a seal here and a seal here. Normally go from the bottom, but let's go from the top this time. Okay, and I'm getting an enclosure very soon as well. This is to go with my MacBook Pro. So the old hard drive is really slow and starting to bother me. Okay, there you go. Alright, let's pull that out. That's basically it. Nothing too fancy in the box. And in there, all you get is basically the NVMe 2.0 SSD. Let me try and not break this. Okay, all right, there you go. 2 terabytes. Okay. All right, guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be giving you guys a review of the external enclosure and how I went with speed tests and stress tests on these SSDs very soon. Thanks. All right, guys, so if you want to see more videos and support the channel and you like this video, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon accounts. That helps a lot if you follow them and contribute there. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.